One of my favourite practicals to teach really, really early on is heart dissection, because if you teach it in year 7 or year 8 and they've students have just come from primary school and they probably haven't managed to get their hands on stuff, and then you give them a heart to dissect, and when they've got their gloves on they can touch it and they can hold it, and it's such a massive new experience for them that you can really see them engaging with science, with practical science. And then you can get them to pull it apart, and they get and just stick their fingers in all the holes and actually touch it and actually feel the difference in the muscles in different sides, and actually see the tendons and the valves and see how strong they are. You can pick up the heart. I think it really brings to life the structure that they draw on them on that paper, actually getting them to hold the heart in their hands. That's why heart dissections, even though it does smell quite a bit, will always be one of my favourite practicals, and I always try and teach it as early as possible in Key Stage 3.